Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a 2023 Premier Angler Series. So, one of the coolest layouts for any fishing pontoon boat that you will see. The back gate on this boat opens up on both sides even. This gate goes that way it opens up the entire back of the boat for fishing, or if you take the fishing seats off and you're loading on big coolers and stuff, take this gate off, that way this is right at dock height, super easy to get off and on the boat. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, so in-floor ski locker, bench seating on both sides up in the front, does have a good stereo on board. Simrad screen with downscan sonar, fish finder, nice stereo system. One of the things I love about Premier, all their boats come with a raised helm. That's actually standard, so a little bit of a nicer helm than you get in a lot of other stuff. But because of how they designed their middle log, it's a lot larger diameter than a lot of the other stuff that you see out there. It causes the weight ratings of these boats to be substantially higher than just about anything else out there in the same size. For example, this boat is rated for 15 people or over 2,100 pounds. A lot of boats this size are going to be 12, 13 people and probably 14, maybe 1,500 pounds. This is rated for a whole lot more. Back here on the business end of the boat, twin fishing seats, really nice fishing station back here on the back. Aerated live well built in. Goes all the way to the other side with a lift out minnow bucket. Storage in here, done really well. Ski tow bar, telescoping ladder, really nicely set up if you want to do fishing. It's the best layout I've ever seen for a fishing pontoon boat, but you also get plenty of performance to pull the kids on the tubes or the skis. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.